Hey everybody, it's Danny Paz with the Paz team with your market update. Hope everybody had a fun Super Bowl Sunday and everybody's recovered and back at work. We are here at Keller Williams. Wanted to let you know some changes that have been going on in the market. Currently, there's been a few less homes went on the market this week than had the previous week. Still about 400 homes went on the market in LA County and about 200 homes went on the market in Orange County. As for the local market, things stayed about the same. About 15 new homes came on the market in Palos, Verdes, the beach cities, and here in Torrance. Now, one of the bigger changes that's been going on has been with rates. Rates have gone up from 4.1 to 4.3% just in the last week, and it was just at 3.8% a few weeks ago. Things are really starting to change. Make sure that if you're thinking about getting approved and looking for a home, don't wait until those rates keep going up. That information is from bankrate.com. As for the listings that came on the market, those were from the CRMLS. And our featured listing for the week is from RE/MAX. It's 441 West 2nd Street, number C in San Pedro. It is a very large 1,200 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo. It's 3 levels. The bottom level has the garage and laundry. And then you've got all upgraded kitchen, bathrooms, hardwood floors throughout. It's only $375,000. It's one of the lower priced homes to get into in the area. Give me a call if you'd like to see that or any other home. 310-863-2267. Make it a great week.